Hi, I'm Rahul, and in this tutorial we will learn how to change the appearance of lines in a line plot. Earlier we are used the BOD inbuilt data set and also the test set 1. In BOD set, if you want to see what data it has, so type the BOD and press Ctrl Enter. So it has time and demand. And in test set, we have extracted that test set from the dataset 1 in earlier. If you want to refer, you can see my earlier video in line plots using ggplot2. So the test set 1 contains the vehicle type like auto, car and two-wheeler, and road width 3.75, 7 and 10.5 for each category of vehicle, and their mean speed for each category of vehicle. So here, if we want to change the line type, there are different types of line types exist in which we can convert, like solid, dashed, dotted is set with the argument line type, and the thickness is provided in mm with size argument, and the color is provided with the color argument. Here I am using the ggplot function, and inside that give the data equal to BOD, and inside with comma give the mapping equal to AES aesthetic, and inside the parenthesis give x equal to time and y is equal to demand. With plus sign, then give the geom_line that you want to represent using a line geometry, and inside the parenthesis give line type equal to dotted, so it will show dotted lines, and size equal to 1 and color equal to red. If you press Ctrl Enter, then it will show the line, dotted line with red color, demand in y-axis and time in x-axis. So sometimes we don't like the existing color or the default color, so there are different palette combinations are given that we can directly use for our data. Here I am setting a set to palette inside to represent my lines. So I'm using the ggplot function and using the test set 1, that test set 1 data, and with comma here you can give data equal to test set 1, and mapping equal to, here you can give with comma mapping equal to AES aesthetic. Inside that x equal to read underscore width, and y equal to, in y-axis equal to speed, and in color you can give equal to color equal to vehicle underscore type, so it will choose the color based on which vehicle type. And with plus give geom_line that you want to provide a line geometry to represent your data, plus scale underscore color underscore brewer that is used for providing existing color palette combinations. So inside the parenthesis give palette equal to inside the quotation set 2. So there are different types of palette exist, like here you can see there are 3 types of palette category. One is diverging, different types of palette category you can provide, then qualitative and sequential. So you can search in Google and search for these different types of palette combinations in ggplot2. You will find this kind of these 3 type of palette combinations. So if you press Ctrl Enter, then you can see that based on the set to palette combination, it provided the line colors based on defined as a vehicle type category. If both lines have the same properties, sometimes both line, whatever the line you want to plot having same properties, at that case you can just specify the variable to use for a grouping. You need to specify a variable to use for grouping. So here ggplot2 function again, then data equal to test set 1 with comma mapping equal to aesthetic AES. Inside the parenthesis inside the aesthetic function give x equal to road width, y is equal to speed, and group. Here I am using the group equal to vehicle underscore type, so it will group based on the vehicle underscore type. Plus when you outside give with plus give the geom_line function for line geometry, and inside the parenthesis give color equal to dark green. When the color is given here, not inside the aesthetic, then it will be applicable for all type of lines. And with comma give size equal to 1.5 and press Ctrl Enter. You can see that line color is green for all type, because you are not giving in aesthetic but you are giving in outside the aesthetic in line geometric underscore line in line geometry. So again, if you want to provide different colors, then you have to specify the color inside the aesthetic mapping. So again, ggplot2 ggplot, again use the ggplot function. Inside that, give the data equal to test set 1 and mapping with comma, mapping equal to aesthetic, x is equal to road width, y is equal to speed, color here give equal to vehicle underscore type. So based on the different vehicle category, it will color the lines, and with plus keep geo underscore line and provide the line type, what type of line you want to provide. It will be applicable for all type of line. So I'm providing here line type equal to dashed, so the line type for all lines will be dashed. With plus sign give geom, plus sign give geom underscore point. Now we are specifying how the points that representing the data will look like. Inside the parenthesis give shape equal to 21, that means it will provide a round shape, and size is equal to 4. The size of that point would be 4, and fill will be white, so the color fill inside the round points will be white. So 21 is actually circular shape. So press Ctrl Enter. You can see 3 types of lines of different colors, where for different colors for auto, car and two-wheeler, and the points are represented with circular geometry, and inside that white color is filled. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.